Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and following a question from a couple of users about a data breach from SoundCloud. Of course, the questions that were asked is mostly, what should I do about it? So I looked at all the information that was available about the data breach, SoundCloud itself, that also gave some information about what was leaked, basically. They didn't really get much. Basically, what they got is mostly just email addresses and any profile information you might have that's already public, visible in SoundCloud itself. So technically, you shouldn't really be doing anything. They do say that the passwords were not breached. So that means that there's no access possible to the SoundCloud from the hackers. If it makes you feel better, you can, of course, change that password if that really makes you feel better. It's not a bad idea anyway. The worst, I think, is that phishing scams, phishing emails that you could receive from some groups that will try to lure you into thinking that that's SoundCloud account. They could try to make you want to, enter personal sensitive data, which you should never do through an email. And that is probably the worst that can happen, is really, the group trying to make like they are SoundCloud and that you need to do something, which shouldn't be. So the best is, if you really want to make sure you're as safe as possible, go on the SoundCloud account, change your password. It'll be enough to be okay. And for the rest, like I said, if you don't, they do say, SoundCloud does say that passwords are okay, and sensitive personal data, anything financial, all of that is safe. There is no issues there. So that's pretty much my take on it. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.